we today? I thought we'd do a little bit of movement to see if we feel a shift from nervous to serene. Nothing like starting the day. We can be sitting in a chair or on the mat. We can sit on the edge of a block or a pillow. It lifts our hips higher than the knees and makes us more comfortable in the top of the body. So we're just going to inhale and place the hands by the navel. Fill the belly like a balloon. And exhale, pull the belly into the spine. We can shut our eyes. That way it gets rid of distraction. Our intention, let's bring our intention inside, out of the mind. So let's inhale and fill the belly like a balloon. Imagine breathing a red color. And exhaling the belly into the spine and the breath into the earth, the head between the shoulders. Have to activate a little bit the abdominal muscles. So let's inhale and fill the belly like a balloon. One more time, and exhale the belly into the spine. Inhaling red and fill the belly like a balloon, just the belly. And exhaling the belly right into the spine. Pull out all that air, exhaling, And keeping a hand by the navel and another by the heart. And we're going to fill the belly, the ribs, and the chest with breath. Can we hold the breath in, head between the shoulders, and exhaling belly, ribs, and chest with breath. 2 more times, imagining breathing red from the earth, safety, endurance, and courage. Inhaling that little bit more. And exhaling red, the crown of the head to the sky, the breath into the earth, getting rid of all the breath. 2, 3. One more time, inhale, fill the belly, watch the belly, the hand of the belly move. And exhaling, belly, ribs, and chest with breath. Inhale, place the hands on the knees and press the heels into the earth and lift, lift, lift. Bring the belly to the spine. Activate those abdominal muscles and exhale red. Just going to inhale red. Seeing how easy it is, and exhale red. To integrate a little bit of movement with breath. And shift our day. Exhaling red. One more time, inhale red. 2, 3, and exhaling. Inhale, let's bring our hands behind us. Just by under the shoulders, bring the elbows together. And exhale, just kick out the legs. Especially if we're not used to sitting. And inhale, we can bring the other leg in front. And exhale, press into the heels and lift the knees, breathing red. So let's inhale red and open. And exhale and press. Inhale, open. Breathing red and exhaling. Inhale. Can we bring up a smile? Even if you don't feel it, fake it till you make it. One more time. Inhale red. And exhaling. Inhale, the hands behind, elbows looking for each other, and just kick out those legs. And exhale in front. We're going to inhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Bring the shoulders to the ears, the chin to the chest. Squeeze the eyes shut and make fists. 2, 3, and exhaling. 3 more times. We're going to inhale red. Hide like a turtle. Squeeze the eyes shut. Make fists and stick out the tongue. Exhaling, release everything. 3 more times. Inhaling. Belly, ribs, and chest. Hold it in. Squeeze the eyes. Fist, stick out the tongue. Exhaling. Inhaling. Squeeze the eyes, stick out the tongue. Exhaling. Ah. One more time. Inhale, red. Hiding, hiding, hiding. And exhaling. And inhale. Let's roll those shoulders one and then the other. And exhale, changers. We use our arms all the time just to lift, to go into a cupboard, to put on our shirt, to brush our teeth. So let's inhale. One more time, bring the shoulders up. And exhale, roll them back. Inhale, let's place our hands on the knees and connect with our hips. We're going to do what's called a cement mixer. So we're going to inhale, lift the pelvis and the heart. And exhaling, ha. Ha. Guy with the heart. Ha. One more. Ha. Inhale. Bring the hands back. Get a little bit of motion here. Shake out the legs. And exhale the other leg in front. We can do this all on a block. Inhale and shake the legs out. And put the other leg on top. Inhale. Lift the pelvis. Belly, ribs, and chest with breath. And exhale, change direction. Hop. 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 Inhaling. Pressing the knees away. Lift the belly to the spine and the arms in a T. And exhale, emerald green. Inhale, emerald green, and circle the arms. And exhale, the arms in a T. Without moving anything, just our arms. We're going to inhale. Breathing red and bring a hand. I'm bringing my right hand to my left leg and bringing my left hand behind my lumbar vertebrae or my lower back. Exhale, I'm pressing through the right leg. I'm going to twist. Exhaling, ah, opening up the digestive system. Exhaling, ah, inhale. Exhaling, ah. One more time, inhaling. Exhaling, ah. And inhale, the arms behind, elbows look for each other. And exhale, change legs. Inhaling, the arms in that T. And exhale. Come over here. We're going to activate the Kegel or bring the belly to the spine. Inhale, press into the leg and activate the other leg. Lift the heart and the pelvis. And exhaling, ah. Inhale. Exhaling, ah. 2 more breaths. Inhaling. Exhaling, ah. 1 more breath. 2, 3. Exhaling, ah. And inhaling. And we're going to do just a little bit of alternate nostril breathing. It balances the hemispheres of the brain, activates the rest and digest part of the nervous system or the parasympathetic nervous system. So we're going to inhale, and with the left hand, we're going to gently touch the thumb and the ring finger and extend the other fingers. Inhaling, belly, ribs, chest with breath. And we're going to exhale and cover up the right nostril with the thumb, exhaling out the left nostril. We can shut our eyes and gaze between the eyebrows. We're going to inhale in the left nostril and close both nostrils with the thumb and ring finger. And exhale out the right. We don't have, no holding the breath. We're just going to inhale. Inhaling safety. And exhaling fear. Inhaling love. And exhaling hate. Inhaling abundance. And exhaling scarcity. Inhaling fear. Inhaling faith. And exhaling fear. Inhaling trust. And exhaling worry. 1 more round. Inhaling faith. And exhaling fear. Inhaling trust. And exhaling fear or worry. Inhaling abundance. And exhaling scarcity. Inhaling I am safe. And exhaling worries. And breathing belly, ribs, and chest with breath. We can rest the hands up on the knees or down. Belly, ribs, and chest. And inhaling red, and see if we can hold the breath in. Bring the eyes to gaze between the eyebrows. Activating the pituitary gland or the master gland of the hormonal system. And exhaling belly, ribs, and chest with breath. Inhaling. Then we hold the breath in. 3, 2, 1. Head between the shoulders. And exhaling. 3, 2, 1. Just one more. This is called a box breath. So I'm going to imagine breathing red and safety and courage. Holding the breath in. 3, 2, 1. And exhaling. 3, 2, 1. And let's just take a moment to observe any differences or similarities in the quality of the breath. Am I breathing differently? Is it easier to breathe in the belly? More aware of how I'm breathing. And the physical sensations. How's the body feel now? And the mind, can I let the mind go? For homework, I recommend that you do a 3-part breath if you can, once an hour, once every 3 hours, belly, ribs, chest. Holding it in, we can bring the shoulders to the ears, activate a little bit more of that physical body, and get the shift, and exhaling into the present. Another homework is to brush our teeth with a non-dominant hand, and eat our food with a non-dominant hand. Thank you very much. Let me know how it works.